How to change payment method in Shopify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in this video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually change your payment method on Shopify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your Shopify payment method, first of all log into the admin panel of Shopify website. I'll make sure to drop a link and then just make sure to click on the gear icon once you're on the admin panel, and on the settings, which is the settings page, you'll find the option called billing, right? So just make sure to click on the billing option. So when you click on the billing option, it will take you to the billing information page, where you simply need to fill in your billing information on the left hand side. Make sure you're under it, and on the right hand side you'll find your payment method. So you can actually add or change a credit or debit card, or you can simply connect your PayPal account if you do have. Depending upon the type of payment information that you have, just add them over here, and on the next page just make sure to enter your credit card details or your PayPal account details, and your payment method will be successfully added and changed. That is it on how you can actually change the payment method on Shopify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.